Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable the people you may know feature on Facebook. So let's open up the Facebook application and then go to this icon with the three lines and go to settings and privacy by tapping this gear icon right here. So if you scroll down, you will see right here that there is an option called notifications, and right here you'll have this option people you may know. So let's tap on that option right here, and what you'll have to do in order to disable this feature is just toggle off that option right here and turn off. So right now if you turned off this option right here, and if you toggled off that option, you will not receive notifications of people you may know on Facebook. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.